Pandya said on interview he wouldn't be bowling today. He's not fit enough to bowl. So they have 5 frontline bowlers, and who will they turn to for a few fiddly overs? Will it be Kohli himself? They've gone Jadeja, they've gone Shami, Bumrah, Chakravarti plays.
IPL, the power play has often been
It's like it's going to be a freebie. I think it is going to.
The Indian team is taking the knee.
And so we're ready. A slip is in place. A little bit of swing in. Rahul, he just middles it. Again onto the middle of the bat.
Fielding's always important, but particularly in this format of the game.
Oh, gone, surely gone, yes! Absolutely plumb. First blood, Pakistan. What a beauty, full and straight.
This has been a weakness with Rohit Sharma for a long. Holding the ball in a manner where the ball is going to come back. It's what they don't want to concede in the first 6 overs.
Oh, out! What a beauty! He's on absolute fire. They cannot play him. Both openers are gone, and the Indian fans can just look on in disbelief. Across his crease. What a spell this is. On time. That's not going to swing. That's going to go to the man in the deep. He's out there. Over his head for 6. India needed that. A flick of the wrist.
To pick the crowd in the background of the.
Swept hard. No one's catching up with that. He means business, Surya Kumar Yadav. He's already into double figures. Right move. This get Kohli here now. This time Kohli stays back. Gives himself room. Hands through the ball. Kohli on the charge now. 6 for him.
That's his answer to those 3 dot balls.
That's the away movement. It's a big call, Bazit-Khan. The struggles for Surya Kumar continue, but Hassan Ali's moving ball the one away. And he gets that away. All the way for 4. Captain trying to take control. Shadab Khan. You can have a review. Rizwan wants Baba to go for the review. He has no doubt. And that'll help push the total on for India. 50 comes up, 52. Ring of fire. But the bias of the field. That's a lovely shot. Truly is brilliant from Rishabh Pant.
So, in this sort of.
It's getting full of that length. It's very.
Find me a definition for that shot, Shane Watson. It's incredible to see. Now he's got hold of that as well, Rishabh Pant. 1 over square leg, then the ball is full. 1 down. Of each other. The last time they played a T20 against each other. This is the ball that Shadab wanted, the wrong one. Sitting underneath it, takes the catch. Just the right time. Rishabh Pant was looking very, very dangerous.
What tension to have a bowl out, wow.
Oh, it was fine, into the pads, a thank you ball for Virat Kohli.
Yeah, Virat Kohli, just use the pace.
Gives himself room. He does pull him, and he does get it past Fine Leg, who was up in the ring.
And that's a well-placed shot as well.
Does he get it through? He gets past extra cover. He gets it past mid-off. And he stops running, and that's why 4 more.
3 runs so far.
Goes over the offside. Why would you scoop when you can hit it over extra cover for 4? The Indian captain's on the charge. He does go hard. He picks it up over fine leg. 4 more.
Like I said, he's the bowler that they've got.
Slow ball up in the air, long way up, should be taken. Mid wicket comes in, gone. Beautifully bowled slow ball from Hassan Ali. He struggled a bit this evening, but that's 2. Well bowled, but that's the game. It's gone for 4.
Yes, too quick.
Short gone. He's in the game with the new ball. He's in the game with the old ball. Afridi wins his battle with Virat Kohli. Up in the air. A long way up in the air. There's 2 fielders. Go for it. And it's the skipper. Takes an easy catch in the end. Goes for the scoop. Oh, that could be a wide. We'll have a look.
A lot. Never think it's
Know exactly how to go about it, and as you may.
But Rizwan has been in brilliant form since he started opening the
Bounce batting.
An opening partnership that has averaged over. A little bit of swing there for Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. Slip. Lovely. Very busy player. Mohammad Rizwan. It's an interesting field change. Slip comes out. Oh, glorious. It really is worth the price of admission or your time watching by technology. Turned him around. Lovely touch shot. It's almost as if he wastes no energy or very little energy in playing these shots. Top class. To get as low as Rizwan did, because I don't think that was what you call a tip.
Sometimes. Oh, just wide. That was the off break, but it's targeted. Right, he's got hold of one. They needed that, and it's just cleared the boundary for 6. The pressure was building, and someone had to release the ball.
And just capitalised on it.
Oh, it was in the air, but split the gap. Probably would have gone over the fielder anyway.
Over the top. Enough on it, and that'll race away. Classy boundary.
It's the best opening partnership for Pakistan against.
Slot sweep. Over the top. Maximum.
Like I said, that's the shot under the boundary. That is what it.
This time it's Barber. Same result. Smashes it and gets to 50. Shot and thumped in the gap. Babar Azam gets it to the fence.
That's going to be another boundary away from that fielder. Tried to fire in the quicker delivery.
Time through the onside. That'll get Rizwan to his 50, 52 or 41 and done.
Far. No, I think it's been that. That is just symbolic of the kind of batting we've seen today. There's 2 fielders out in the. I thought the running between the wickets was fantastic.
You'll at least single run.
And not just here. Seen so many. Well, of all the things you could do, how high was that? You want to look at that, but it doesn't matter. It's now 11. And now through the onside, there's only gaps at the moment as far as Rizwan is concerned. And there's now... This one is going into the gap as well. Take all the fielders out, you don't need them. Because at the moment, the batsman can't even see them. And all of Pakistan will celebrate